How to enable birthday notifications on Facebook. Now that's I am going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right now. The very first thing is you have to do is click on your profile picture, and then click on these three dots, and then tap on the edit profile and go all the way down, and click on the edit your about info. And all you have to do is again is click in, go to the basic info tab and click on edit, and then you can see the birthday audience is friends of friends. Then you have to click on the friends of friends in the blue colored, click on it, and you have to enable it in the public. So that's basically it. And so in this case you can see the birthday notifications on Facebook. And now that's basically it. If you like the tech tutorials like this one, so please subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and comment below. Thank you.